When a friend feels sad or blue, there's so much kind things we can do. Share a hug or lend a toy. Kindness brings a world of joy. Sharing cookies, books, or play makes our hearts grow every day. One for you and one for me. That's how happy hearts should be. Kind words bloom like flowers bright. Please and thank you feel so right. Smiles can travel far and wide. Spreading love we cannot hide. Let's be kind in all we do, helping others old and new. When we share and care each day, happiness will come to stay.
Wow, I really enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy it too? Can you believe this was all made with just a phone? Don't worry, Auntie Debbie at My Legacy Studios will teach you everything. Let's learn how to make fun nursery rhymes right on your phone.
So when you check on YouTube, you can see that there are a lot of channels like this that are making this type of videos, and they have earned a lot of views on those videos. When you also check their revenue or estimated revenue, you could see that they are making a lot of money from these videos. These are simple videos that you can all create with just some few AI tools. Now let me show you how to do that step by step using your phone. So this is a roadmap we are going to follow on the screen. The first thing we are going to do is to generate our script. I'm going to take you through how I generate my script in a simple way, and also how to generate your image prompt and at the same time generate your images. I'm going to show you free AI tools that you can use to do all these things. Now the next thing we do after the images is to generate our music using free AI tool, and also animate our images using another free AI tool. Then the final thing we'll be doing is editing. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can get the entire process correctly. Now let's get right into the video. So the first thing we need to do is to generate our script. I'm going to use ChatGPT to do that. So if you don't have ChatGPT, just go to Play Store and install ChatGPT onto your phone. Now we need to enter our script here in the prompt box here. What you're going to do is to craft our prompt for the AI or for ChatGPT to write the script for us. So I have my prompt here. This is a prompt I'm going to use. I'm going to copy my prompt like this. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and paste my prompt here. So this is where I'm going to paste the prompt. Now let me take you through the prompt. Write a fun and catchy 4-verse rhyme for kids about brushing teeth and cleanliness. Make it in a simple and a playful language suitable for children aged 3 to 8. Include fun actions like brushing, scrubbing, rinsing, and washing. Make it sound cheerful, sing along friendly, and easy to memorize. End with a positive message about staying clean and healthy. So we're going to hit on the command button for ChatGPT to write a script for us. So now we have our script written by ChatGPT. The next thing you're going to do is to generate our music using another free AI tool. So come to your browser, type Nano AI in the search here like this. We're going to choose the first option. So click on the first option like this. You will need to sign up with your Gmail account if you are a first user, but if you already have an account, just sign in into your account. So I use my Google account to sign in because I already have an account. The next thing we are going to do is to click on the orange button here in the middle and start creating our music. So this is where we are going to enter our music. On Nano AI, you can paste your lyrics or custom lyrics, or ask Nano to generate the lyrics for you by describing the kind of music that you want. But because we already have our music or we already have our lyrics, all we are going to do is to activate the custom button like this and enter our lyrics here. So we are going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the lyrics. So this is the lyrics in ChatGPT. We're going to copy from verse 1 to the last verse. We'll copy everything and go back to Nano AI. So we're going to paste our lyrics here like this. Then what we're going to do next is to delete all the numbers or the verse numbers that ChatGPT added to the lyrics. We're going to quickly delete all. So delete the verse 2 and leave a space between the first verse and the second verse. Then we delete the verse 3 too as well, and then delete the verse 4 too as well. So we don't want the AI to mistakenly add these verses to the lyrics. Okay, Now the next we are going to do is to choose the style of music that we want. So come to style of music. So here I'm going to choose the style of music, but before I enter the style of music here, what I'm going to do is to choose the adult male voice, then also add children rhymes to it to make sure Suno generate the music in case way or in a form of rhymes for us. So children nursery rhymes, funny, interesting, and playful. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on the advanced settings to see what we have there. So for the advanced settings, we have the gender. We are going to leave it untouched. Then come to the song title. We are going to go to ChatGPT to check our song title. So let's check the song title ChatGPT provided for us. Brush, Crab, Splash. So this is the song title. So I'm going to copy it like this. Copy and then go back to Suno AI and enter my song title here. So brush, scrap, splash. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on the create button and wait for Suno AI to generate the music for us. One thing I like about Suno AI is that it will generate two versions of the song for you to preview each of these versions and choose one. So we are going to wait for it to be generated fully for us. All right, so I think we have 4 versions of the song. Let's preview the first song.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up and down we go. Round and side to side. Make those pearlies glow.
Okay, so let's try the second one.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up and down.
Okay, so this is the second one. Let's play the third one.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up and down we go. Round and side to side.
Okay, so let's go with the third one. So we're going to click on these 3 dots here by it and look for the download button to download this to our computer. So there's the download button here. We're going to choose one of these formats. So let's go with the MP3 audio and download this to your computer. Now there's a warning. If you want to commercialize this, then you have to go for the paid version. But if you are just trying your hands on it, then you can just go with the free ones for the meantime. So what we're going to do is to click on a download anyway to download this to your device. Now that we have our music downloaded to our computer, the next thing we are going to do is to generate our images. So to generate our images, we need an image prompt. So what we're going to do is to go back to ChatGPT to generate the image prompt for us. Then we can now generate our images. So for the image prompt, I have a prompt here. I'm going to copy this image prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So we're going to paste a prompt here like this. So this is a prompt: create detailed 3D Pixar-style image prompt for each verse of a 4-verse kids rhyme about brushing teeth and cleanliness. Each scene should look like bright, colorful, and joyful, suitable for children aged 3 to 8. Include expressive cartoon characters, fun bathroom settings, and playful details like bubbles, mirrors, water splashes, and smiling faces. Describe each image separately for each verse, matching the actions in the lyrics: brushing, scrubbing, raising, washing, and smiling. Make sure every scene has soft lighting, cute facial expressions, warm colors, and cheerful atmosphere, similar to Pixar-style animation. So I'm going to hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT to give us a prompt. So what we're going to do is to copy the prompt. So these are all the prompts that GPT has generated for us for each of the verse. We are going to copy the prompt one after the other. So this is the first one. I'm going to copy the first one and start generating our images. So for the images too, we are going to use another free AI tool, that is Google ImageFX. Go to your browser and type ImageFX in your search like this. Then click on the first option. There's a first option that comes with Google Apps. Here, this is where we are going to enter our prompt. But before then, we need to sign in with our Google account. Okay, so it has logged me in. So what we're going to do is to copy our prompt and paste it here. So let's copy the first prompt from ChatGPT like this. Copy the first prompt and click on copy and go back to ImageFX and paste it here. So this is where we are going to paste our prompt. I'm going to delete the default prompt here and enter our prompt here. The next thing you're going to do is to click on this blue icon here to create our first image. Wow, so the first image has been generated for us. Let's see, usually ImageFX give us four options, so we have all the four options here. I'm going to download all the options here. Click on the download button here and download it, and then click on the download button and download this one too as well. So let's go back and click on the download button, download, and I think we didn't download this one, and download again. Now we're going to copy the second one too and generate. So go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt and go back to ImageFX. So we're going to delete the previous prompt that we have here and now hit on the generate button, and let's see what we are going to get next apart from the first one that we generated. Now the reason why I choose the ImageFX is because it's unlimited, it's free and it's unlimited. So if you are planning to use it to do something that will require more images, then you have to go for ImageFX. And I also like their picture quality, so you can see what is happening here. What you're going to do is to click on the download button and download this, and then so you follow the same steps to generate all the images for your video. Now the next thing we are going to do is to bring our images to life using another free AI tool. This AI tool, Grok AI. So just search for it in your Play Store or your App Store and you can use it. So when you open to Grok, what you're going to do is to click on the create video button. So there's a create video button and select your images that you want to animate. So let's go with the first image like this and click on make video. Even if you don't click on it, it will start creating the video for you. So let's see what is going to or how it's going to animate these images for us. It even came with a background music, so if you like you can maintain it, but because we already have our background music, we are not going to maintain this. We are going to click on the download button to download this to our computer. Now if you don't like the animation, you can click on the redo button to reanimate it again, but I like it this way. So what you're going to do is just download it to our computer and now go back, click on the back button and then click on the next image that you want to animate. I'm really in love with this AI tool. The way it animates the video or the images is really incredible, and it's a new AI tool. So if you are looking for a free AI tool that you can use to animate your images, you can follow on this Grok AI to do that. And I like the fact that it has not distort any of the images that I provided. All the images are intact. So use it while it still lasts, while it's still free. Okay, use it. So click on the download button and download. So now you follow the same process to animate all your images and download them to your computer. So when you're done, you have to put all the clips together using an editing app of your choice. We are going to use CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, just go to your Play Store and look for CapCut and install that on your phone and start using it. So here we're going to click on new project like this and import all the video clips that we use Grok to generate to CapCut. So based on how you want the video to be arranged. So we want this one to be the first, second, third. Select it the way you want it to be arranged on the timeline and click on the add button and add it to your timeline. The moment you click on add, all the clips will be added to your timeline. That's one thing I like about the CapCut app on the phone. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to add our audio or our music file that we use the Sono AI to generate. So here we're going to click on the add audio button, click on sound like this and look for the sound that you generated. You're going to click on the file button like this to look for the music we generated with Sono AI. So this is a music. We're going to click on the add button like this and add it to our timeline. Now let's play it. So now the next thing we're going to do is to add transition to our clips to make sure it flows smoothly. So we're going to select one of the clips like this. Okay, then click on animation down here. There are free ones that you can use and there are also paid ones. So let's go for the free ones to use. So I'll go with the checker slide. Click on the add button here at the top, this this tick here, just tap on it like this and it will be added to your clips. You can also do the same for the rest of the clips, or apply the effect to all the clips. Now at this point, you can add effect and also text or caption to your video if you want, but if you feel you don't need any text or captions or any other effects on this video, then you can go ahead and click on the export button at the top to export the video to your phone. Now you can go ahead and upload the video on either YouTube or any other social media platform, monetize it and start making money with it. Now if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and like this video, and also click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Share the video with families and friends who needs it, and also leave a nice comment in the comment section for me. That's the only way you can do to support me here on this channel. Watch a previous video that I uploaded on this channel. That video is popping up right now on how to create African folktale stories using your phone. It's popping up right now. Click on it and go and watch, and I'm going to see you in the next video.